My dear students, good morning. Here, it is after discussing combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, I am going to tell you about double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is also called a double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition reaction. See here, you have seen in case of single displacement reaction, that is, here displacement reaction is also called a single displacement reaction when it is compared with double displacement reaction. In case of displacement reaction or single displacement reaction, an atom or group of atom from a substance is replaced by atom of another element. Here see, in double displacement reaction what happens? A chemical reaction in which two new substances are formed by reaction between two substances due to exchange of ions. What? Due to exchange of ions. Take an example and first see here. A chemical reaction in which two substances react to produce two new substances due to exchange of ions. Between them. So, double displacement reaction is also called as ion exchange reaction. So, another name, ion exchange reaction. Take an example. When aqueous solution of sodium sulfate, is mixed with aqueous solution of barium chloride, we get barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Here, this is colorless. Aqueous means, as you know, that is sodium sulfate has been dissolved in water. That is aqueous solution. Watery solution, here also watery solution, it is also colorless. And barium sulfate, yes means solidified. That is in solid form. That is precipitate. White PPT. PPT means precipitate. and colorless aqueous solution. See, in this reaction what happens really? Sodium sulfate react with water to produce sodium ion and sulfate ion. Similarly, barium chloride, when it is mixed in water, it produces barium ion and sulfate ion. No, barium ion and chloride ion. What happens here? Barium ion combines with sulfate ion and sodium ion combines with chloride ion, and they produce what? Barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. So you see here, out of these two reacting substances, sodium ion combines with chloride ion, whereas barium ion combines with sulfate ion to produce two new substances. A chemical reaction in which two substances react to produce two new substances due to exchange of ions between them. Due to exchange of ions between them. So this is called as double displacement or ion exchange reaction. You say here double displacement. Why? That is displacement, that is sodium ion. Here sodium ion is displaced by barium ion from sulfate, as well as here chloride ion, that is here, as well as here chloride ion is displaced, that is combined with sodium ion. That is double displacement. In both cases displacement takes place. It is also called a double decomposition. Why? That is decomposition takes place in both of the substances. Because that is because of decomposition of the salt, that is sodium sulfate and barium chloride, when it is mixed with water, they decompose to produce sodium ion and sulfate ion. Here also barium ion decompose, barium chloride decompose to produce barium ion and chloride ion when it is mixed in water. Therefore, this is also called a that is double decomposition reaction, right? So here double, you see, that is a double displacement reaction, double decomposition reaction, ion exchange reaction. If in this reaction a precipitate is formed, then it is called a precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. That is here in this case, this reaction is also called a precipitation reaction. So here this reaction can be named as double displacement reaction, double decomposition reaction, ion exchange reaction, as well as precipitation reaction. Right? Now take another example. But before taking another example, I want to tell that this activity has been given in your NCERT book. So see that is observation. During reaction between sodium sulfate AQ and barium chloride aqueous solution. First point, reaction mixture becomes white. Second point, after 2 minutes we get white precipitate. Sometimes question is also asked regarding this, that is in question is framed like this. This is a test tube, and here barium chloride and sodium sulfate has been mixed. And it is asked that name these two substances, that is a solid substance and a liquid form, the aqueous solution. So this is barium sulfate, and this one is sodium chloride, aqueous, and this one barium sulfate in solid form or precipitate form. So its answer should be like this. You can take some more example regarding this. Just I have told you during characteristics of chemical reaction, when lead nitrate, aqueous solution of lead nitrate is mixed with aqueous solution of potassium iodide. This reaction is also an example of double displacement reaction. See here, lead nitrate, you know its formula, chemical formula, lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice, and potassium iodide, aqueous solution here has been taken, and potassium iodide Ki. And when they are mixed, we get light yellow colored substance. Light yellow substance plus sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, KNO3. You can also write in the same way this chemical reaction, in what way you have written regarding the barium sulfate and sodium chloride, that is lead nitrate in water. When it is mixed in water, I am sorry, not NO3 but NO3 whole twice, what will they produce? Lead ion plus nitrate ion, and potassium iodide Ki they produce in water iodide ion plus potassium ion. Here lead ion and iodide ion mixed, combined to form lead iodide, whereas potassium ion and nitrate ion combine to form potassium nitrate, PbI2 plus KNO3. Right? So this is very simple ion exchange reaction. You can simply say ion exchange reaction is called a double displacement reaction. Take another example which you are familiar. Sodium hydroxide aqueous mixed with HCl aqueous to produce sodium chloride aqueous plus H2O liquid. This reaction is also called a double displacement reaction. Why? Because in water, sodium hydroxide, it produces sodium ion plus hydroxide ion. In the same way, HCl, when it is added in water, it produces chloride ion and hydrogen ion H plus. In this way, they combine like this to produce sodium chloride aqueous plus water liquid. Compare them. Here also exchange of ion takes place between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Therefore, this is also called a double displacement reaction, ion exchange reaction, double decomposition reaction, and one more reaction, one more name can be given here, and it is neutralization reaction. Neutralization. Right? So this is about the double displacement reaction. You can take some more example like silver nitrate AgNO3 aqueous plus sodium chloride aqueous. When they react, they produce AgCl precipitate and sodium nitrate aqueous, white PPT. So a number of reactions can be mentioned here, that is double displacement reaction. You may take another example, lead nitrate plus sulfuric acid, or you may take sodium sulfate. You may take sodium sulfate aqueous. They react to produce lead sulfate solid, white PPT plus sodium nitrate. Right? So a lot of chemical reaction can be put under double displacement reaction. Now I am going to give some homework to you regarding this. Question number 1. Define double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Give some another name double displacement reaction. Third point, write two observation during reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate aqueous. Question number 4. Write the name and chemical formula of the substance formed during reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride. And fifth question, balance and identify the following chemical reaction. As combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. First, Na plus O2 Na2O. B, CuSO4 CuSO4 copper sulfate PuNO3 plus Na2S AQ, this is also AQ CuS plus NaNO3. Next one, AgNO3 use AgNO2 plus O2. Next, EbNO3 whole twice plus Fe NO3 whole twice plus Pb. Next, and last one, EbNO3 whole twice EbO NO2 plus O2. Thank you very much.